Here's the second page of Vivaldi A minor Concerto, third movement. So it's got 3 pages in the book. This is the second page. It's quite a bit of a complicated thing, but here it is. So after we end the last page, and then we're gonna have the B and the G natural, and this is the same pattern that we've done before. Ta 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 ta. So third position, high first finger, and then E, and then back to high third finger on first position. Okay, so I'm gonna play it again. Third position, high 1, E, down with the 3, and then 4, and then third position, low 3 finger, and then E, up, F natural, and then high 3, which is 5, F sharp, A, and then 2 again, 1, 2, 2 on the D, C natural. Okay, so 2. So you're gonna go up half position right there. So okay, and then okay, so then again, good. So and here's the complicated part, because it's a bunch of arpeggios. So for now, I'm gonna play it really, really, really slow for you as a demonstration. And come back to the A, low A. And then okay, so G, this time with the G, low 4, and then C sharp, so that's quite complicated. So I'm gonna do it again super slow. So you and here it comes. G, and then third position here, C natural 3, 3 low. Okay, so got it? So sometimes we have to leave fingers down to make sure that they're in tune. It is quite complicated. I might have to explain it to you in class, but I will do it again. See if you can get where I'm leaving the fingers down and when I'm not. Okay, so I'm leaving the first finger down. So this one, and then I take it off, and then leave the finger 1 and then put the 3. Okay, so I'm leaving the first finger most of the time, the first 2 arpeggios. But I also leave the 2 there. And then leave the 2 there. The 1. Then low 3 on the D string. See how I left it on? Okay, and then second position, first finger on the C. And then 1, back to the first position. And then second position again, first finger, 2, back to third position, first position, and then 4, and then. So even I was forgetting because I was playing it so slowly, trying to think about all the fingers. But this is the most complicated part, probably of book 4. So it might need a little more explanation than that. And I would like to do it when you're here so that we can monitor everything that we do. Anyway, if you can do this part, you can do anything. This is the most complicated part that we have to deal with, or one of them in book 4. Bach double concerto might have a few things that match this, but probably not as complicated as this. So these arpeggios go really fast, and you have to play them with very, very accurately. So even I'm flaking out because this violin is a little bit new. So anyway, so that would be a great thing if you can try this. Now the next part is not so difficult because so after you and then so You've done that before, sort of. So that's about what the second page is. So try to see, I'm gonna see if I can do another video this week that has the whole piece really slowly. So I just wanted to give you a little advance since, you know, just wanted to show you in general terms what it is. Later I'm gonna do a very slow play of that, and then I may explain the fingers a little bit more extended. Okay? See ya. Practice.